Hello dear students, today we are starting exercise 1.1. So in this exercise the first question is identify each of the following as rational or irrational numbers. So we have to identify these numbers have rational or irrationals. So if we talk about first number, that is 2.353535. so it is a repeating decimal, so it can be written as a fraction, so it is a rational number. It is a rational. I am representing a rational with R. And then if we talk about the second one, that is 0.6. so 0.6 is a terminating decimal and it can be written in as in the form of fraction, like we have 6/10. so it is also a rational number. It is a rational number. If we talk about the third one is 2.236067. so it is a non-terminating because these digits are not repeating, so it is non-terminating and non-repairing decimal, so it is a irrational. So we represent irrational by IR. If we talk about the fourth one, that is 7 square root. So 7 square root of a non-perfect square, so that is why it is irrational number. If we talk about the fifth one, that is E. Euler's number non-terminating and non-repeating, so that's why it is a irrational number. If we talk about pi is non-terminating and non-repeating decimal, so it is a also irrational number. Then we move on the 7. 5 plus 11 square root. So the sum of the rational and irrational is a irrational. So here 5 is a rational and 11 is irrational. So the sum of the rational and irrational is equal to irrational. So it is a irrational number. If we talk about the eighth one, that is 3 square root plus 13 square root. So the sum of the two irrational numbers not specifying to a rational, so it is also a irrational numbers. If we talk about the ninth part of this question, that is 15/4. so it is a fraction of two integers. It is a fraction form, that's why it is a rational. The fifth part of this question is 2 minus 2 square root multiplied by 2 plus 2 square root. So we know that we have a formula that a minus b multiplied by a plus b, so it is equal to a square minus b square. So similarly 2 minus 2 square root we have multiplied by 2 plus 2 square root, that is also equal to 2 square माइनस 2 स्क्वायर रूट का स्क्वायर. So it is equal to 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. So 2 is a rational number, so hence it is also a rational number. So I hope you guys understand it. So now we move towards question 2. So in question 2 we have, represent the following numbers on number line. So represent following numbers on the number line. To represent these numbers on number line, like if we talk about the 2 square root, 2 square root is approximately is equal to 1.414, so it falls between 1 and 2 on the number line. Okay, so I draw one number line and then we draw every number on the number line one by one. So we draw a number line here. For example, this is our number line. This is our number line. Our center point 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So these are our this is a negative side and this is our positive side. So the first one is 2 square root. So 2 square root is falls between 1 and 2, almost at 1.4. so 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 1.41 almost here. 2 square root will be come here. So this is the place of 2 square root. Okay, so now we move towards the second part, that is 3 square root. So 3 square root is approximate value. The approximate value of 3 square root is 1.732. So it will become falls between 1 and 2 on the number line. So we needs to mark a point between 1.7 and 1.8. so it is 1 and almost here. So 3 square root will be fall here. Okay, so now we move towards next question, that is 4 times 1 over 3. So we know that 4 times 1 over 3 is 13. 3 times 4 is equal to 12 plus 1 13 over 3. So 13 over 3 approximately is equal to 4.33. So it will become here 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 4. So 4.3. So 4.3 will become almost here. So it will falls here 4 times 1 over 3. Okay, so now we move towards the next part of of question 2. So in the fourth part we have minus 2 times 1 over 7. So minus 2 times 1 over 7 is minus 15 over 7. So that is approximately equal to minus 2.14. So after 0 we have 1, 2. So 2.414 will be come here, almost here. So minus 2 times 1 over 7 will become here. Okay, so now we move towards part 5. So in part 5 we have 5 over 8, that is approximately is equal to 0.625. So it will falls between 0 and 1, so almost here. 5 over 8. Okay, so now we move towards next part of this example, that is 2 times 1 over 3, that is equal to 11 over 4, and it is equal to 2.75. so 1275 will become here. So 2 times 3 over 4. Dear students, here I draw number line by randomly, so you guys can use a scale to make a proper number line and calculate it. Calculations are same, but you can draw the number line by using scale. Okay, so now we move towards question 3. So in question 3 we have express the following as a rational number p over q, where p and q are integers and q not belongs to 0. So here we have 0.4. So 0.4, first of all we let x is equal to 0.4. so we can write it as x is equal to 0.444 up to so on. So we can do it by another method also, like we don't need to write this part like this step. So we multiply both sides by 10, so it will become 10x equal to 10 into 0.4, so it will become 10x equal to 4.4 bar. So now we will give a name to equation 1 to this and equation 2 to this. Now we subtract equation 1 from 2. So we have 10. X minus x is equal to 4.4 minus 0.4 bar. So it will become 9x and 4.4 minus 0.4, so our answer is 4. So then we move 9 to the other side, it will become 4 over 9. So that is the answer of our question. Okay dear students, now we move towards next example, next question, that is 0.37. so let x is equal to 0.37. so then we multiply both sides by 100. 100x is equal to 100 times 0.37. so 100 x is equal to 37.37 bar. So now this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So we subtract equation 1 from 2. Subtract equation 1 from 2. So we have 100 x minus x is equal to 37.37 bar, or we can write it as minus 0.37 bar, that is equal to 37. And on this side we have 99x. So after this we move 99 to the other side, it will become 37 over 99. So that is answer of part 2. Okay, so the students, now we move towards the part 3 of this question, that is 0.21. so let x is equal to 0.21. we multiply both sides by 100, so it will become 100 x is equal to 100 into 0.21. 100 x is equal to 21.21 bar. Equation 1, 2. Subtract 1 from 2. We have 100 x minus x is equal to 21.21 minus 0.21. so 99 x is equal to 21. so x is equal to 21 over 99. That is our answer. So I hope you guys understand this question. So now we move towards question 4. In question 4, we we needs to give name property use following here. So if the first question is a plus 4 plus b is equal to a plus into 4 plus b, so this is the associative property of addition. Okay, so associative property of addition. Associative property of addition. If we talk about the second one, 2 square root plus 3 square root is equal to 3 square root plus 2 square root. So it is clearly a commutative property of addition. So it is a commutative property. Commutative property of addition. Okay, we move towards the third one, that is x minus x is equal to 0. So it is additive inverse. Okay, additive inverse. If we talk about the fourth one, a into b plus c is equal to ab plus bc. So it is distributive property. Distributive property. Distributive property. If we talk about the fifth one, that is 16 plus 0 is equal to 6. Additive identity. So we write here identity. If we talk about the sixth one, 100 times 1 is equal to 100. So that is also multiplicative identity. Identity of plus identity of multiplication. If we talk about the seventh one is 4 times into 5 times 8 is equal to 4 times 5 then times by 8. So that is the associative property of multiplication. Associative property of multiplication. Then if we talk about the eighth one, that is AB is equal to BA. So it is commutative property of multiplication. Commutative property of multiplication. Okay, so dear students, now we move towards question 5. So in question 5 we have name the property, use the following. So we will give a name to the properties: -3 less than -1, 0 then 0 less than 2. So it is a transitive property of inequality. Transitive property. So it is transitive. Property. Transitive property of inequality. Then if we talk about the second one, that is reciprocal, like a less than b, then 1 over a greater than 1 over b. So it is a property of reciprocals. So it is property of reciprocals. Okay, so now it is property of reciprocal, so we write it down. Reciprocal. So now we move towards third one. If a less than b, then a plus c less than b plus c. So it is addition property of inequality. Okay, addition. So where we use these less than, greater than, or these signs, so all these properties of inequality. So now we move towards fourth one. If AC less than BC and C greater than 0, then A less than B. So here it is a multiplicative property of inequality. Multiplicative property of inequality. If we talk about the fifth one, that is if AC less than BC and C less than 0, then A is greater than B. So it is multiplication property of inequality. So it is a multiplicative property. Multiplicative property of inequality. If we talk about the fourth one, that is either a greater than 0 or a is equal to b, or a less than b. So then it is a multiplicative property. Multiplicative. If we talk about, okay, so question 5 is finished. Now we move towards question 6. So I hope you guys understand it. So now we move towards question 6. So here in question 6 we have find two rational numbers between the given numbers. So here find two rational numbers. So the first part of question 6 is we take average of these two numbers. So 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4 over 2. Then we add them together. It is 4 plus 3 over 12 over 2. Then it is equal to 7 over 12 over 2. Then it is equal to 7 over 24. So this is first number, rational number between 1 over 3 and 1 over 4. Now we find the second one. So now we take the average of 7 over 24 and 1 over 4. 1 over 4 plus 7 over 24. So here it is 24 plus 7 times 4, 28 over 24 times 4, that is equal to 96 over 2. So it will be 24 plus 28, that is 52 over 96 times 2 will be 192. So we have 7 over 24 and 52 over 192 are two rational numbers between 1 over 3 and 1 over 4. Obviously we can simplify 52 over 192. So but if we write it as, then no problem, like the answer is correct. Okay, so now we move towards next question, that is 2 and 3. So we take average of 2 and 3. 3 plus 4 is over 2 is equal to 7 over 2. Now we take average of 4 and 7 over 2. Now we have 7 over 2 plus 4 over 2, that is 7 plus 8, 4 times 2 8 over 2 over again 2. So that is equal to 7 plus 8, 15, and 2 times 2 4. So 7 over 2 and 15 over 4 are two numbers that we needs here, like these are two rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay, so now we move towards the last part of this example, that is 3 over 5 plus 4 over 5. So we take average. So here we have 15 plus 4 times 5, 20 over 25 over 2. So here we have 35 plus over 50, 25 times 2, 50. Now we try to find out the next number. Then we need to take the average of 4 over 5. Now 4 over 5 plus 35 over 50 over 2, that is 50 times 4. 50 times 4 is equal to 200 plus 35 times 5. 35 times 5, that is equal to 175 over 50 times 5. 50 times 5 is equal to 250 over 2 again. Then we have 200 plus 175, that is equal to 375, and then we multiply 250 by 2, that is 500. So 35 over 50 and 375 over 500. These are our two rational numbers between 3 over 5 and 4 over 5. So I hope you guys understand all of these questions. So but if you guys have any kind of questions, you can ask to me. I will give you the answer of your questions. Thank you very much for taking class. Goodbye.